Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to delete multiple or duplicate contacts on your iPhone? Deleting one contact at a time can be annoying and very time-consuming. In this video, I will show you how to quickly delete multiple contacts at once. Let's go. If you are only dealing with one or two duplicate contacts, then one option you have is to delete those one by one. To do so, open the Contacts app and find the contact that you want to remove from your device. Then tap on the Edit button located at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and click on the Delete Contact button to remove your selected contact. However, if your objective is to delete all of your contacts at once, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID and go to iCloud. Under the Apps Using iCloud section, tap on Show All. Then disable the Contacts toggle from the options and confirm by tapping on Delete from my iPhone. Now, if you go back to your Contacts app, all the contacts on your iPhone should now be deleted. You can still recover all the deleted contacts anytime by turning the Contacts toggle back on in the Settings app. Keep in mind that if you have a lot of contacts stored, it may take time for them to load and be restored. Another option is to delete your contacts online. Open iCloud.com on your browser and log into your iCloud account. Once signed in, open Contacts. You can still delete individual contacts here. Select one, click on Edits and choose Delete Contact from the bottom of the screen. To delete all contacts, click on the Settings icon found on the bottom left corner and choose Select All from the menu. After the selection, click on the Settings icon again and this time choose Delete from the options. Then tap on Delete when prompted to confirm the deletion of all selected contacts. Keep in mind that if you delete the contacts from the cloud, there is no way to recover them. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.